In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unzip files in Google Drive. If you've ever received a zip file in your Drive and weren't sure how to open it without downloading it to your computer, this walkthrough is for you. We'll be using a free tool that works right inside Google Drive so you can keep everything in the cloud and stay organized. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in if you're not already. Once you're in, look for the zip file you want to extract. Zip files usually have a little zipper icon and end with .zip in the file name. You might find it in your main My Drive area or inside a specific folder, depending on where it was saved or shared with you. Next, move your mouse over that zip file, right-click on it, and hover over the option called Open With. If you don't immediately see an option named Zip Extractor in that list, don't worry. Click on Connect More Apps. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where you can add tools that integrate with Drive. In the search bar that appears, type Zip Extractor and press Enter. Look for the app called Zip Extractor in the results, then click on it. You'll see an overview page with details about the app. Go ahead and click the button to install or connect it to your Drive account. Follow any prompts that appear until the installation is complete. Once that's done, go back to your Google Drive and right-click on the same zip file again. Hover over Open With, and this time you should see Zip Extractor listed there. Click on Zip Extractor to launch it. It will open in a new tab or window. The first time you use it, Zip Extractor will ask for permission to access your Google Drive. This is necessary so it can read the zip file and create the extracted files for you. Review the permissions, and if you're comfortable, click Allow to authorize the app. Now you'll see a list of all the files and folders inside that zip. You can leave everything selected if you want to extract the whole archive, or uncheck anything you don't need. When you're ready, click the button labeled Extract to Drive. Zip Extractor will process the archive and create a new folder in your Google Drive with the same name as the zip file. Inside that folder, you'll find all the extracted files ready to open, share, or move wherever you need.